when you look at people with chronic illness, they're not typically people that want to rock the boat. They don't usually complain. Or if they do complain, then they over-complain and everyone just shuts them out, right? So, usually what precedes illness and this holding of tension and tautness and anxiety within the body really becomes an inability to say no.
Wow.
When people are not able to really have a boundary of where I end and where you begin, back in that attachment story, it leads to patterns in life that, I end up feeling abused because I don't know where my boundaries are. I cannot say no. And the result is feeling abused, disrespected, manipulated, dominated. All these people-pleasing behaviors. So I agree to be nice just because I don't want people to reject me.